Negative 94 degrees. That is the temperature required to store the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine. Out there right now, it's being administered to frontline workers all over the country.
Now, the logistics of extreme cold storage are an area of expertise by a local engineering firm. 41 Action News reporter Dan Cohen joins us live to bring us their insight. Dan, we were talking about how they described to you what that temperature is like. They said something like a cold burn, basically, right?
Yeah, it's hard to wrap your head around a temperature like that, Lindsay and Taylor, and it's good to be with you this morning. Not negative 94 degrees outside, but Henderson Engineering in Lenexa has a lot of experts across multiple disciplines, and that includes healthcare and refrigeration when it comes to retail and grocery. They are lending their expertise to ultra-low temperature storage as it relates to that COVID-19 vaccine being administered by Pfizer. Those ultra-low temperatures are necessary, and it's one of the many parts of storing this vaccine. A lot of attention to detail, extreme care is involved, and that also means Henderson Engineering consulting on how workers have to be careful when it comes to exposing themselves to those ultra-low temperatures.
One of the great ways that we've been able to explain it, even on regards to PPE and such, it's very hard to have a frame of reference for negative 70 plus degrees, right? But it's a cold burn. Everybody understands burn. So instead of talking about it about an extreme cold piece of equipment, you talk about it like it's hot. It's going to burn you, so treat it like it's a deep fryer. Be cautious when you're walking around it. Make sure that you have long sleeves on. Make sure that you're gloved up.
Henderson is also advising on dry ice storage and maintenance, but Taylor and Lindsay, just to hear him describe those freezers and those type of terms, it's really eye-opening when you think about just how much goes into this vaccine campaign that is underway right now.
A lot of work just to get it to you so you can get the shot if you choose to. Dan, what about security concerns with Henderson encountering that? Because the vaccine rollout has a lot of layers to it. They want to keep it safe. They want to make sure people don't have easy access to it necessarily because it's so regimented. What kind of security thoughts are they having with this?
Multiple layers involved with this, Taylor, and we were told by Henderson that their designs and their client list is off limits to us because of non-disclosure agreements. And as we've talked about during this rollout, the sites of those storage units for the vaccine, those are being kept under wraps as well for security reasons. But it was just interesting to hear from Henderson pull back the curtain just a little bit. They're the behind-the-scenes folks. They design the wiring, the ductwork, and they know the impact that they're having is extremely important, even though they're the ones behind the scenes and the public doesn't necessarily know about the work they're doing until now, obviously.
That storage protecting precious cargo, to be sure.
Yeah.
Dan Cohen, live for us this morning. Thank you very much.